Hey guys, welcome back. Class is in session. This is David Deek from the Get a Clue Classroom. And today I want to show you how to be able to make a video script in 10 minutes, okay? It doesn't have to be long. It doesn't have to be grueling. It just has to be quick and fast and easy so you can keep creating these scripts, keep getting better at what you have to say and keeping it short, okay? So I'm actually going to add this to our Fiverr Freaks 2.0 program, and but I'm going to give this away for free because I wanted to show you guys how you can start making money doing video scripts or doing videos yourself, okay? But it's hard for some people to, it's hard for some people to get over the hurdle of writing, okay? Especially script writing when you have to talk about a product, okay? So I'm part of Fiverr. You already know if you're part of the Get a Clue Classroom about Fiverr Freaks. And I go step by step on what it is, and I give you a tour, and I show you how to make money. Now, I got an order running right now, okay? So I'm going to be doing my my car video. This is basically I'm in my car, and I'm recording what people want me to say. There are some limits on that. I don't take every order. But so anyway, this is Fiverr. This guy ordered a gig with some extras, okay? I'm going to give him the logo, the script writing, overlay text, background music. I have to deliver this in 4 days, okay? And this is great because it helps you stay accountable to get stuff done for your clients, okay? But that's besides that. I'm kind of taking you through the order as well. Anyway, so the guy, what happens is he orders this video. He gives you some kind of description of what it is. We're talking about cognitive nutrition. Now, there's some things on here that is going to be hard for me to pronounce, so that way I'm going to have to go back to the client and say, look, how do you pronounce this? Or you can go over and search it like I do. You highlight let's say you highlight the word, and then you right-click your mouse and search for neuro regen. And sometimes it will come up with this definition. So I looked up neuropeptides and see how that's done, okay?
Neuropeptide.
It'll give you a voice recognition as well. So anyway, I wanted to show you real quick, first of all, before we start writing, on how the order is, what to expect from your client if you're doing Fiverr. Okay, this is the layout. They're going to give you some information. If they want a logo added to their video, they'll give you that, and all you do is download it. Okay, I already did. So these are things to help them get a better video. Okay, so right now I'm about to help you do a 10-minute script. Okay, so the time is 9:04, and okay, so let's say 9:14 we need to be done. All right, so the first thing that I would do, open up your Word, start a new file, so a Word document, okay? I always start out with, hey guys, that's my signature. You guys you can say, hello, friends, or something. But, I don't know. You can be corny. You can be whoever you want to be. Just be somebody. All right. So now he gave me this information. He gave me the websites that I need to go to look at the bullet points, okay? He's got this selling on Amazon, so I'm going to go over there. This is his description, the NeuroPept. 20 milligrams, 60 capsules, third generation, nootropic, okay? So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to click that. Now I can see all his bullet points that he has about the product, okay? Very simple. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it, all right? Because you want as much information as possible about this product. Here's another thing that you would cut and paste. And I'm going to show you how to put this in your own words, okay? And And some of this, a lot of this I probably won't even use. And that's what they call the cutting floor. You probably heard it in the film industry. On the cutting floor, it never made it to production. Okay, so this is important. Established in 2003. That's always important. GPC, natural superior form, chlorines. It's not. There's no R in that, so would it be a choline? I'm not familiar with these supplements as far as the names and what they do, but anyway, it's government approved in Europe. So you want to copy all this, and you want to paste it. That's all you're doing, and it's going to be like a puzzle. You're going to put it together. Okay, 2 minutes have gone by, so I'm just checking my time. All right, so now I would like a little bit more stuff. Here, let me save you some time, okay? This is what I wanted to copy. Okay. So going back, and this is where you can get confused. So you have to stay focused, man. You got to buy these supplements, Neopept. It's going to keep you cognitive. All right, so you also want to cut and paste this one. Whenever you're taking supplements, you definitely have to have a disclaimer in there to go see the doctor before you do it. Read the instructions, etc., etc. All right, moving right along. So basically, I introduce with a question. Okay, I start out my videos with a question like, do you have a problem of being distracted all the time? Question mark, okay? Well, I did for years. And I finally, did something about it. And got and bought a supplement, a focus supplement, a natural supplement that is focused, that gives you focus, massive focus and productivity. All right, so you can always go back if you have to, do a spell check, but I don't like seeing the red line there all the time. All right, so while I did for years, I finally did something about it and bought it. And the problem with me is some people like to go all through it and then edit it last. I like to go edit it as I go along, okay? Let's see. This means nothing to me right now. Raises your natural neuropeptide levels. Okay. All right. Fast effects are usually seen in an hour. That's good. We'll leave that. And best results, it takes about 4 weeks. Okay. So I'm going to add this to my script. What are we looking for time? I got 4 minutes. Let's see, fast effects usually seen in an hour, which is great. And your best results. Okay, so now, get out of here, get out of there. It's clinically studied to be more potent than the original nootropic. Okay, this is where I put in my disclaimer. So you want to check it out for yourself. Remember to check with your doctor. I know this sounds terrible, talking and doing this and being slow and stuff. I can't speed it up right now. I'm under a time limit. Check with your doctor first to see. Okay, so this supplement is not associated with serious side effects. Cognitive, let's see, here it is. Now I talk about the company. Can I do this in 2 minutes? Cognitive Nutrition has been established God bless, since 2003. Okay, so anyway, check it out for yourself and watch the focus results and see yourself become more focused and productive. Go to 14. Go to Cognitive Nutrition.com. And that's it. So that's basically 10 minutes, and all this other gook don't necessarily have to put in there. So you just created, let's see, that is 123 word script. Obviously, you're going to format it the way you want to, so you can read it better. And another thing about the scripts is I like to bring the margin down to about 4.5 or 5. Okay, just to help you read it better. Okay, I don't like this format. Anyway, so that's it. Doing a script, and all I got to do now is record it. Recording takes a lot of time. Well, it takes me about 5 to 10 takes, just to be honest with you. I've been doing this for years, and you're not going to get it right just off the bat, because as you're going, you're thinking of something else. That's why it's important to stick to the script. Okay, so anyway, I hope this video has helped you out. You can go out and sign up on Fiverr for free, and you can start doing this and make your own scripts. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching. This is David Deek. Thanks for joining the Get a Clue classroom. Thanks.